I got it.
Patrick! Do you want me to bring down some pot pie while you write?
No, that won't work.
But you're gonna be hungry.
Yeah, okay, Mom. Whatever. Come on. Patrick, think. Okay, here we go. Double-edged secret in the shadows of the night. Murderously. Perfect. It was a dark, humid, and stormy night in Rolling Hills, California. The sky lit up like wildfire as Catherine Dulaine grieved in her Spanish colonial Riviera Moderne Cape Cod Chicago-style bungalow. When suddenly...
Miss Dulaine?
Just a second. I'm not decent. All right, come in.
More private eye.
Charlie Rollins, private eye.
Too sweet.
Dennis Rollins, private eye.
Too modern.
Jerry Rollins, private eye.
Jerry sounds like my
Jack
T-ball.
Rollins.
There we go.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you, Miss Dulaine.
The pleasure's all mine. Will you find my husband's murderer, detective?
I can't make any promises, miss.
Nope.
I'll try my damn best.
How about...
Absolutely. It'll be easier to whip it up from Spam skewers.
Suspended in jello?
Oh, yeah. Mind if I ask you a few questions?
Of course.
Please. Sit.
crap?
Please. Sit.
All right.
When was the last time that you saw your husband?
Just last night, we were walking over by Roscoe's.
I looked into her deep, trancing eyes. She was breathtaking. Elle était une belle femme. Wait. I know French? What a dame. Her dress was a brighter red than a gala apple tree in May. Than a wine spillage in Napa. Than the brightest ruby this side of the Pacific.
God, I'm lonely.
And for that reason, I believe it was Johnny Neckbrace who got rid of my husband for good.
Pardon me for asking, but why do you think it was Johnny Neckbrace?
Well, they were real close. Drank from the same bottle. Lately they've been fighting a whole lot.
About?
Condominiums?
Condos?
Seriously? No, contracts.
Contracts?
Maybe...
Loans.
Loans? Mm-hmm. How much did he owe him?
Damned if I know.
You mind if I take a look around?
Go right ahead.
They look at each other suspiciously. Curiously might be better. Longingly? Let's stick with suspiciously.
Do you want horseradish on your green beans?
You know I do, Mother!
This is where I make my move. He was getting too close. Time to throw some lead. Look at that sap waltzing around. He won't know what hit him.
Is this 6 bottles of open whiskey?
Sorry, would you like some?
No, way ahead of you. You like the good stuff. I trust you.
Okay, here we go. 6-chamber revolver under the couch?
Don't mind me. Just looking through some of your stylish bling. Okay, that is not a word.
Hello? Where's the thing I hid?
Too easy. Catherine had slyly placed a lead pipe in her oven before Detective Rollins arrived.
Think I left a wartime loaf bacon.
Yummers! You don't seem real shattered there, Miss Delane, and your oven's not on.
Oh, guess I'm a little jingle-brained.
Scratch that. Stashed away carefully in her fridge was a lethal candlestick.
Hungry? How about a grapefruit sandwich? I made them this morning. They're right here in the fridge.
No snacks, thank you, but back to my previous question.
You sound like you're getting awfully excited down there.
I am, Mother. It's getting juicy.
Don't screw up my furniture.
Wait. Here we go. The freezer. In the freezer was a poisonous snake.
Oh, looks like you could use some ice with that.
I'd like to be in the rocks, but I've got to stay on the job.
I cracked myself up.
I'll make another. Dirty and on the rocks. Just like my husband.
I should have seen that one coming.
I'm sorry, Detective. You were getting a bit too close.
As detectives do.
That drunken baboon had to go, and now, so do you.
She slugs him with the reptile. Huh. But what if she missed?
And now, so do you.
You're under arrest for the murder of Thomas Delane.
You can't arrest me. We're barely 5 minutes in.
Or...
We did it, sweet cheeks. Now that he's dead, we can run away down Sunset Boulevard. Okay, that's a movie that already exists.
Oh, kiss me, you red-hot goose. Okay, why would I say that?
God, this is ridiculous.
Who's writing this pile of... I don't know.
Let's find this fathead.
Let's... I'm sorry, could you back up a
Oh,
little?
sorry.
I know something we can do.
Follow the light.
I'm getting really tired of the metaphors here.
There. Yeah, lightning my ass. This way.
Patty, two fancy people are here to see you.
Yeah, okay, Ma, send him down. Wait, no one ever comes to visit me.
Stop that typing.
I bought it off eBay, I swear.
Obey.
No, I think he said replay.
No, I'm sure you said obey, like obey me.
Am I under arrest?
For being a terrible writer.
It was a dark, stormy, and humid night.
Haven't heard that intro before.
Cigarette?
Mom!
I got something better. It was a quiet, cool evening in the Chicago suburbs. Patrick's life was about to change forever.